So somebody requested 38 special.
Oh!
We're gonna do 357.
Bro, oh my God.
And we got the Ruger.
I ain't got no gloves either.
We got the Ruger.
I'm shooting that with one hand, bro.
GP 100. And then we got the Smith & Wesson Magnum.
How you gonna hold it? Pause.
We about to see what these things working with.
Bro,
the only revolver that I've shot is Life with OB's 500.
No, you shot Jelly's Rhino
that
too.
Didn't count.
Yeah, it did.
Because he had lightweight ammo in it.
Oh, he had he had 357. What you shooting now?
I didn't shoot that.
Yeah, you did.
Nah, he said he had
38.
He said he had some different ammo in it.
Yeah, 38.
He didn't have like no kit.
38. It was 38 special then.
Yeah.
Bro, who requested this, bro? I don't want to.
They requested.
I don't want to do this video with you, sir.
Hey, you don't have to. I mean, you just I can make it a quickie.
No, I'm gonna do it with you.
Gay.
You gonna shoot it too, bro? He gonna shoot it too, so I gotta shoot. All right, that's D with the Glocks. If y'all ain't familiar with him on on Corey's channel.
This one, 7. I've always wanted to do it. How do you do it?
I don't know. I don't have a revolver, and I might get one, but it's gonna be a safe queen.
Do you have to like?
Yeah, you got to cock it. No, you gotta cock it.
I know that. Oh, you know what?
Can you hit with that?
Huh?
Can you hit?
I'm sorry.
Go with this one. Looks good. I like that. It's comfortable. Look.
Actually,
shoot the dirty Harry first. Nah, you gotta shoot the dirty Harry first, bro.
alright.
Oh, I wish I would have brought my gloves, bro.
My sights
Let's
off.
shoot it. My sights off. I'm scared to shoot the things, bro.
Sitting here.
Heck no. See, look how you got. Oh, good shot,
That
though.
ain't bad. So am I supposed to pull this back every time?
No, it's already, once you do it the first time, it's already engaged. The fire is the same. Oh, he fights hard as shit. I think that's it.
Well, that was fun.
What'd you think about this, sir?
It's not bad. I had a lot of anticipation because I thought it was going to be a lot worse.
You shot pretty good. Well, you know, those are super accurate. You know what?
It actually wasn't too bad.
I think I should buy my wheel gun this year. What you think?
I was thinking about
Cause I want either the King Cobra or the Python. Yeah, the Python. Like a 4 1/4 inch Python.
I feel like this one's gonna have some
kick. I see where the flames come out, bro. That's insane. How did you hold that mug?
Huh?
I'm trying to look at how you holding it.
Oh, just like
I'm
a regular.
Shit.
Like a regular.
Oh, you're not. You don't feel that fire in your gun? You shoot that one too.
I don't even know where it's hitting.
I mean, you look like you hitting every shot though, bro. Okay, I want to try it. Corey, I don't know. Hey man, Corey came out with some pretty good decent videos, man. Y'all need to smash that like button for that boy, man. For sure.
They didn't see that, right?
They didn't see it. That's pretty cool.
Go ahead. I'll load you up some, bro. Let you. It's not bad. You don't need gloves for this.
I'm gonna shoot it. Oh shit.
Hey, by the way, guys, Lonzo's about to take some shots. Make sure y'all tune in for that video, cause oh my god.
Yeah, that's insane.
But let's see what you think about them. Oh, hold on. All right, guy. No gloves. Let's see what you think. It's not that bad, bro.
I just want to see how.
Yeah, it ain't that bad. You shoot that joint. But I will tell you this. So, whenever you shoot the first shot, when you get to the second shot, the trigger resets. it's gonna be a long pull, so be careful with your anticipation, because boy, I anticipated the hell out of that first shot. Yeah, see? Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, it's a long pull, bro.
Shit. Damn. Shit.
Damn, bro. You hit the clip, bro.
It's still on there.
Definitely started getting closer at that last,
I
one.
like this, bro.
It ain't bad, right?
That's not. I think I'm.
But I do want to know, because this is my first time shooting one of these, actually, like, you know, shot after shot after shot. So, is it better to pull that back every time to make it easier trigger pull, or are you just supposed to deal with the anticipation of that super long trigger pull? First time smooth. Bro, you wasn't even hitting nothing.
Crazy as hell.
You hit like 2 or 3 of those.
And I like this one better, bro.
Big one?
Hell yeah.
Pause.
Pause.
Yeah.
I like
It was a lot smoother.
Heck yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind owning. I want to know though, what is the wheel gun caliber of y'all's decision? 38 special, 357.
357, bro.
Yeah, I just want to know, like, what do y'all have? What brand or what model, or
I wanna shoot that shit
you know,
some
what
more.
caliber?
Like that,
you know, and whoop de whoop. Yeah, drop down in the comments and let me know.
I was busting.
You did.
It was,
you really did.
Because it felt so smooth, and that trigger's way better than that one.
Yeah, cause you missed like 2 or 3 of them.
Huh?
But we ain't gonna talk about that.
Nah, bro. Oh, man, you're rude.
See what he got.
Put your thumbs down, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that trigger. Oh, that's the big one too, huh? Oh, so he. Revolver.
Nah. You want to shoot the
other
other
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Little one. Yeah, that one. There you go.
Your laser turned off.
Huh?
Your laser.
Shot? Oh. You got it? Is it on?
Turned off again.
So which one you feel like got the better trigger?
It might be the battery.
I like this. I like this one better.
Yeah.
The long one, yeah. It's more smooth.
I don't like where this is going.
Excuse me?
Oh. The long slung.
Yeah, I agree. That's definitely my favorite one. That was your favorite one too?
Yeah, the long slung. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I definitely go with that one. So,
I like that. That's freaking cool. I was scared at first.
We're gonna wrap this video up real quick. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Look, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Please drop down in the comments. Please. Thank you. Oh my God. Pause. Pause. Yeah, we're gonna end this video. I apologize. It's loud as hell over here. There's a lot of people here. It's kind of crowded right now, so I went ahead and gave y'all that courtesy to do my outro the right way. Like I said, smash that subscribe button, post notification bell, like button, thumbs up. It's the same thing. Comment, all that good stuff. It's banger after banger. Y'all know what time it is. No way. Stay safe, stay protected, stay blessed. Till the next video.